So hey, how's it going, everyone? The Sham here, and today I'm going to be doing yet another recommendation from a commentator. And obviously, it's again Ayaka Rose, so I'll leave the comment right there. And it's going to be yet another Kaitou Joker because that's the recommendation that this person wants me to do another one. And obviously, like I've heard all the openings and everything else, but apparently this one is like a AMV, which is basically it's showcasing something from the seasons, and it's also like indicating more like music to it. Let's say like it has the music with it and stuff like that. So let's see what this video will entail. So let me not waste any more time and let me check out this video. All right, and obviously, like I said, it's a AMV, but this one's called Silent Scream. So yeah, let's see what this one's about. Because obviously, like it's showcasing stuff from the anime. A key. Family. Ah, damn it. It's like something regarding family. That's what I saw from it.
I'm caught up in your expectations. You're trying to make me live your dream, but I'm causing you so much frustration.
I don't know who that person is.
You only want the best for me.
It's more family. We saw the evil Joker with the ninja, obviously, as a partner.
So I cry once in a while.
Okay.
Don't you feel it? Our worlds collide.
Okay.
Deep inside, just let me be.
The Phoenix. That person. I understand that this is gonna be copyright, so yeah. I'm just aware of it already. He's seeing weakness and he wants to become better than that.
And every day you cause me harm. That's the reason why I feel so
the key again.
Even though you hold me in your arms, wanna put me in a box of glitter, but I'm just trying to get right.
The comedic moment that you have. That Phoenix person. And something happens to him. It's like giving me like that Phoenix one is like the rival of Joker, and yeah, like they're like the rivals. Family, huh? Curry. You said curry. Probably could be something special that one person that said I didn't know who that person was. Interesting cup.
Cause you should love me just for being myself. I'll drown in an ocean of
the ocean's lovely. Aha, I get it. Because it was the lyric was ocean and you had that scene. Why do I feel like this would actually be a movie with the song like this? Like, if they actually made a movie of this, that would be like the ending song, like this exact song that I'm listening to. Oh, he went to jail. Oh, wow. From every moment, there's always darkness. Yeah, from every moment there will always be darkness that the main character has to deal with.
My silent scream.
Alright, but it was still interesting because it actually did feel like it was like this was like an ending to like a movie. Like if they were to make this and this was like the ending song to it, it would actually fit. Because like you're literally seeing the darkness, you're literally seeing the funny moments, you're literally seeing the family qualities, and you see like the struggles, the coming ups, and a bunch of other stuff by the main character, which is Joker. Like every main character does in animes, like they have to suffer at least once by a pain that they don't want to see or endure, but they endure it with the fact that it will help them grow stronger in the end. And yeah, but this one was an interesting recommendation. I possibly already know that this is gonna be copyright claimed, but I'm not gonna think about it too much because yeah. But interesting video. I will say, really did keep me involved with the whole thing that was going on. But yeah. But anyways, that'll be it for this recommendation. Thanks again to Ayaka Rose for giving this recommendation. Um, this was a very interesting one because it didn't basically have an opening like Kaitou Joker for Kaitou Joker, but more it was a music video with the anime scene showing from Kaitou Joker, but it was still good. But yeah, but if you have any more recommendations, uh, just leave it down in the description. I mean, not in the description, in the comment section of this video, of what video I should try to react to. I like I said, like Ayaka Rose is one person that sends recommendations like this, but you could also send your recommendations, and hopefully I might be able to check them out and react to them, like I'm doing right now with this recommendation. But that'll be it. So stay tuned for more uploads, meme reactions, you name it, like this and other stuff. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the gaming channel that I have, and check it out. And give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one. Laters.